drag this if then statement. Okay, so at the same time we want whenever this ball will be touching the red line, like the kind of sensing operation, we will do this particular thing, touching the color. For choosing a particular color, we will click on this color, then click on the chooser, and then we will drag it right there. Okay, so we have chosen the red one. So if this should be happening, then what we want to stop everything, just like that. Okay, we have stopped everything. Clear? If we want to execute this whole thing for the forever time kind of thing, so what we can do, if you want, you can put it right there. That thing will also work. It should be working. Have a look at it. Yes, it is working. Clear? So after doing that particular thing, we are done with the each and everything. You can see we are having this pedal guy bouncing each and everything, but we need a little bit of formatting, like there should be something, a score kind of thing, which will be getting increased every time we hit the ball. So what we'll do, we'll go to the variable section, click on make a new variable, and at this time we will write points, or you can write scores. Okay, score, whatever you want. Clear? So we want that whenever this guy will be, like paddle will be hitting the ball, we want to increase the point by 1. Okay, so first thing first, we need to set this point from at the very beginning to 0. Okay, so we will drag this particular one like that. We click on point, set the value of point to 0, just like that, and then what we want to increase this particular point whenever the ball hits the paddle. Okay, so we will go to the change, not my well, just point by 1, and we will put it, where should I put it, touching the paddle, and I want this particular one happening. Okay, let's just try that out. It is starting from 0. If I have touched the paddle, it is working perfectly fine. You can see that. Oops, the game got over. Yeah, 1, 2, great. It is working perfectly fine, nice and slow, great. Okay, so the next task is, like there should be something, right? Like if the ball touches the ground, there should be something kind of game over kind of thing should be popping up. So we will be writing that particular thing on the backdrop, just like that. Go to the backdrop, and we want to duplicate this one. Okay, so we will be writing something on the backdrop, like kind of game over. Okay, space game over, just like that. Okay, so we will increase this guy's length. Okay, where are you, Vita? Yes, here it is. So we will position this guy just like that. It looks okay, great. At the same time, we want something like something kind of thing you want kind of thing, whenever like we will be getting more than 10 points or so. So we will be having that you win kind of thing. So we will duplicate it again. I'm doing it at once because I'm kind of lazy guy. Okay, so this particular one, great, it looks good. I want to write something kind of you won, right? 1, 2, 3, and I don't want to use this particular color. I want something kind of cyan that looks perfectly nice and fine and slow. Great. Okay, this looks good. Yeah, great. So let's go to the code. Okay, what we need to do here, oops, that should be there. We need something like, you can see, okay, this kind of irritating thing. So what we want at the very beginning, like whenever this ball will be touching the red line, we should be showing that you lose kind of thing. So what we'll do, just go to the control block section. It is saying that if ball is touching that particular thing. Okay, so can you see that particular thing, what is happening here? If touching the color, then stop all. At the same time, I don't want to do something, just go to the look section and switch to backdrop neon tunnel 2. Okay, and at the very first time when they start the game, the game starts, I want to set this particular one to neon tunnel. so that whenever the game will start there should not be anything. Okay, so let's try that out.